Alright, it's a pretty straightforward project here. We're going to remove the three drawers. We'll make sure the tracks are good. We'll make sure all that's all set up. Everything else looks good. Pretty straightforward project here. We're going to sand down, just get it to where the paint will stick nice. We'll remove the drawers, take care of all that, put 2 layers of paint on it, and then we're going to scuff sand it. So, pretty straightforward. Let's get started by removing the drawers, checking the subframe, and then we'll start sanding. Alright, we're going to start sanding. I've got my DeWalt palm sander, 80 grit sandpaper. We're just going to go over, give it a scuff. So overall, it looks worn out, but it's actually smooth, so there's not much we have to fix on this one, which is nice. So we'll scuff it so we can get the paint to adhere real nice, and it should be pretty quick. So let's get started. Alright, we've got our gray here. We're going to use an interior eggshell. It's a mid-gray. Going to do the drawers twice. Start on the frame here. So I'll do the sides, the back, the other side. I'll work my way inside and around and finish over here. And then I'll do the top. Then I'll do it all over again. I got a 2-inch edge or angled Woodster short handle brush. Still love them. Still going to use them. So here we go. Alright, we've got 2 coats on it. We've got the sandpaper where you can see it's already been broken in there. We don't really need it to have the strength it did when we were sanding it down. We just want to scuff this up. So we're going to use this and some other sandpaper here that's been used up. And we'll do the drawers, we'll do the top, sides, and work our way around this piece, giving it a little bit of a vintage look. So here we go. Alright, we are sanded down, scuffed up, we're ready to go. We're going to put some wax on this just to seal the paint up, and well, then we can put these drawers in and finalize it. So let's get started. Alright, here it is completed. We sanded it down, we painted it, we scuffed it up, gave it this nice vintage gray scuff look that everybody likes. Nice little farm style to it. These drawers, open and close, real nice. I like that. So, if you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll keep doing some pretty cool projects and some projects for some clients.